Alright folks, Lardy Chitty Aquatic. So, Big Bad Toys. Unboxing something I got finally came in. Been looking forward to this for a while. I was on pre-order, and I'm not buying a pre-order from them because it takes way too long, so I wait until it became available. I got it in less than 2 weeks. Let's see what we got. Sticker. Yeah, Mothera. Yeah, it's backwards because I want to make sure it's going to be set right. Let's see, how in the world do you open this thing? Oh, okay, just slides. How do you open this thing? It just slides. No, it doesn't. Dang. Wow, they made this tight. I mean, real tight. Oh, okay. It's going to be interesting how you figure out how to get it out of the outer wrapping. Jeez. Hard plastic. Hang on a second. Dang. Okay, so that's how the drum. But here it is. I have to assemble this. It's very interesting. The assembly instructions. Apparently this actually opens up. Ah, there it is. This opens like that. Very strong magnet. Nice. So next I'm going to assemble this and I'll show you the end result. It's pretty cool. Here's the twins. Oh, this coming through. Ah, and her head fell off. Don't you just hate when you lose your head? I'll be back in a second. I'm going to assemble this here and show you the end result. Right back. Alright, so here it is. Pretty cool. And we got the accessory parts, was basically different arms and facial features. That's for like a scene sequence type thing. Pretty cool. Bothered a trip because it's actually fuzzy. Fake fur type stuff. Pretty cool. Obviously fake, but whatever. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I will change the faces though because they look a little too deadpan serious. And then the fun part. Where are you going to go over here? And I don't think I actually showed this here. Godzilla vs. the Smog Monster. Ghidorah. And Kaiju fans appreciate that one. Both forms of Ghidorah. Pretty cool. Smog coming out of the factories. Nice. Looks like I have to do some rearranging up here to make room for these three, I guess you could say. I'll figure out somewhere, somehow, some way, get the little guys out of here. Put them back up top somewhere. Yep, pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Oops, sorry for the quick spin. My bad. But yeah, it's just that some. And this is actually adjustable. Pretty nice. Oh wow, I didn't just now realize this here. The little coat poncho thingies are actually fuzzy. Interesting. Didn't expect that part. But yeah, they do have some decent details too. But yeah, it's just too serious looking for me. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, I need some more. Alright, folks. Later.